National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Morgan County, northwestern Anderson County, west central Campbell County, Scott County, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles south of Kingstown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Havana, Wartburg, Huntsville, Ellenwood, Winfield, Sunrise, Rugby, High Point, Smoky Junction, and Huntington State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.